Hello everyone, this is JD from Zidon Consulting, and in this video we'll talk about projects. So what exactly is a project? Projects are referred to by many synonyms. Some like to call it as an initiative, some as an endeavor, and some as pursuit. But let us look at what PMI has to say about project. PMI is the most popular body on project management. They define a project as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It is clear from the definition that a project has a goal, and the goal could be to deliver a product, a service, or a result, which means that behind every project is an investor who puts money to get the goal accomplished. And note the term temporary here. This means that a project will not last forever. It would have a definite start date and a definite end date. And it makes sense, doesn't it? Since every project has an investor, investments are time bound. People like to know when their investments cut break even and start making profits. Another term to be highlighted here is unique. Every project delivers a unique result. If you repeatedly deliver the same result with the same set of processes, then you would rather call it as an operation. To summarize, a project is an initiative that has a unique goal and it is time bound. Simple, isn't it? Now, let us look at some examples. Building a new office complex would be considered a construction project. It involves multiple phases such as site preparation, foundation laying, construction of a building structure, interior finishing, and landscaping. Creating a new mobile application is an example of a software development project. It involves tasks such as requirement gathering, design, coding, testing, and deployment. Organizing a conference or a music festival requires project management. It includes tasks such as venue selection, budget planning, marketing, ticket sales, scheduling speakers, and attendee registration. Now, this is a classic example of a service delivered through project. Launching a new product or promoting an existing one involves creating a marketing campaign. This project may include tasks such as market research, defining target audience, designing advertising materials, social media outreach, and analyzing campaign performance. This is a good example of a result being delivered through a project. All the examples discussed here produce unique result and are time bound. These examples illustrate the diverse nature of projects and the different industries where project management principles are applied to achieve specific goals with defined constraints such as time, cost, and resources. What sets projects apart is their distinctiveness, defined goals, and finite timelines. Each project is like a story waiting to unfold with its own set of challenges, characters, and plot twists. Now, if you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe for more such content. If you are interested in our certification prep courses, you can click the link in the description. Thank you.